Hi guys, this is Katie and today we are in Hua Hin. We have spent a lot of our time in Bangkok, but we came down to Hua Hin for a week vacation before I go back to school, and we are renting a villa. It is beautiful, so I thought I'd give you a quick room tour. Okay, so as you come in, there is a little place to park, but we have not rented a car this time, so we walk along here. So this is a pool area. It's a really nice open garden space, which we really enjoy. Sometimes you can get them where they feel just a bit like cramped, but this pool is so nice. It's actually been quite overcast the first few days that we've been here, and this is still warm, which is great. But as you can see, it gets the sun throughout the day when it's sunny. But yeah, it's such a nice like pool to relax in. Great. And we also have 2 deck chairs, some really strange inflatables underneath. I'll show you those another time, I think. And if I just take you around here, we have like a living space area. So we have a barbecue, so we've just been enjoying barbecues like for lunches and stuff. So I actually really like this space, to be honest. We've been doing like a lot of blog work over here. Like we've been spending a lot of our time working on our business, and it's been really nice to like relax and do some work out here in the sunshine and then have a dip in the pool. So it's been such a nice kind of chilled out week. I've really enjoyed it so far. Okay, so let me take you inside. Okay, so this is like our kitchen area. We have like used it to some extent. To be honest, where we are in Hua Hin, you can get like food delivery. So if we haven't been grilling, we've been getting food delivery. We've kind of used the toaster, but that's about it. But it's quite a nice big kitchen. I guess if you're here with like groups of people and you want to do lots of cooking, then it's fantastic for that. Something I also quite like, I haven't actually picked any up yet from the shops, but I might get some Nespressos. We actually have our own coffee machine at home, but we weren't sure about the Nespresso machine, so I'm tempted to go and get some just to try this and see if I prefer this machine to the one we have. And a little rarity that doesn't really happen in a lot of Thailand homes is an actual oven. Like, this is a proper oven. A lot of places, like even our apartment just comes with like a microwave, but we ended up buying an oven for our home, but a lot of places don't really come with ovens. Okay, so this is our living room space. To be honest, this is where we like to relax in the evening when it gets a bit too hot or a bit too stuffy outside. But there's like a 65-inch television, which is fantastic. We've been like watching Netflix and YouTube in the evenings when we've just been relaxing. Sofas are comfortable, which is always good. And they also have a PlayStation. We haven't used it yet, but we might end up using it. Who knows? I guess if you're like here with family, it's good to have a PlayStation. I don't know, but yeah, it has that. Okay, so then this part of the room, this is actually a 3-bedroom villa, and you've got like a spare bathroom just here, which I'll just take you in. It's fairly small, like it doesn't have a bathtub or anything, but I mean, it's not that bad. I say it's small, I think because the other bathroom is massive. But yeah, so that is a little bathroom there. And then this is one of the bedrooms. There's, it's got a bit of storage. This is a 2nd bedroom. And then the main bedroom, which is where we've been staying, is through here. So I love this bedroom. So it has a massive bed and a window that overlooks like a door that overlooks the pool, which is so nice. But it also has this like really big wardrobe space area, like plenty of storage, which has been also very handy. I can see I know a lot of people rent places for like a month. I can see this is like the ideal place to rent for a long time because this would be so nice. Like next summer, I'm tempted, to be honest, like it's too nice. Anyway, this is the bathroom. Something that is a little strange. So if you are traveling with friends, this doesn't actually have a door on it. It's just like open from the bedroom. So you have your like wardrobe space and then the bathroom, which is a bit odd, I guess. But I mean, we don't mind it because, we're married. But yeah, so it has like a rainfall shower, which is really, really nice. But yeah, so that's your shower area. This also has kind of twin sinks over here, which is great when we're getting ready at the same time. And yeah, just kind of a nice open planned bathroom there. And like I said, my favourite thing about this place is being able to get up and open the door with difficulty and then step out. And how nice is this garden space? Like, it's so lovely to just relax and unwind. Really enjoyed it so far, and I'm definitely going to be doing this more often, like going away for a week in a villa, because it's so nice. But yeah, so I'm going to stop the video now. I'm going to go get some lunch ready, and I shall see you in a bit. Alright guys, so food is almost ready. Well, we prepared it, we're just kind of grilling it. This grill takes a little while, so I'm gonna put the sweet cornies on, gonna finish off the pasta, and then I'm quite hungry now. This is quite a late lunch because we were filming the villa tour this morning. Now I'm hungry.